Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Bohemian Folk Song. Bohemian Folk Song is really cool because it's our first song to use low 2. And so on the D string, we're going to have low 2s. On the G string, high 2s, regular 2s, whatever you want to call it. This song is pretty simple. It's made up of 2 different sections, A and B. This is the A section, first 2 measures. And here's the B section, 2 more measures. Mind the crescendo in the center of the measures though. Should say it crescendos and decrescendos in there. So here we go. The form is A, A, B, A, B, A. Again, that's A, A, B, A, B, A. Let's do it. Maybe a slow tempo first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's try a little bit livelier. So it's marked andante, so we can't take it too fast. So da 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 1, 2, 3, 4. So how'd you do? Alright, go back and practice, play it several times, find the speed that works for you, and I will see you in the next song. Bye.